Welcome back to the garage. Little status report. Uh Wiring is almost complete. Got to tidy some of that up. My inputs and outputs are kind of short, so I can't follow them along that loom. So tidy up a touch. We'll get there, but got the ignition switch button. So ignition, fat thumbs. Ignition switch, start button, obviously. I'm going to do a trans brake arming switch. I don't know, had it on there last time, forgot it once, but anyhow, alternator, exciter wire, and these will probably be headlights, tail lights, whatever. When I get that far, got to wire that up yet. More concerned about the rest of the wiring, but got the trans brake button and the bump button installed. Got the wires going down. I got to route them and connect them better. But it's coming along. Just reach over here, flip the switch. Fire that sumbitch up. So, like I say, we're getting there slowly. Gotta do what I can when I got the money to do something with. But still working on brakes. I know what I want. Just got to save my pennies for that. I gotta get my windshield and the rear window in. Got to put some water in it. I got the radiator hoses on. Fill that up. Put some grease in the rear end. And for some reason, this drive shaft now is quote unquote too long. I'm not sure why. I had to get under there and look, but I may have mentioned that something like that in the other videos, but for whatever reason, it needs to be shortened a little bit because it bottoms out in the transmission more than I want. Well, you never want it to bottom out, but it just goes too far in the transmission. So, yeah, we're making progress. Yeah. So, anyhow, like I say, just a quick update on what's going on, what we got going on here. And hopefully, I don't know, hopefully soon. I gotta clean that up. Don't look at that. Don't look. I said don't look. Yeah, we'll be getting there shortly. So hope everybody has a good Wednesday. The weather here is nice after a couple stormy days here. Hope nobody got any bad weather, but catch you on the next one. See ya.